Ecash, XEC, is the rebranded version of Bitcoin Cash ABC, BCHA, itself a fork of Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash. It calls itself a cryptocurrency that's designed to be used as electronic cash. Ecash strictly aims to be a means of transaction used to pay for goods and services. The coin was rebranded on July 1, 2021, and has since tried to distinguish itself from its predecessor. The base units of Ecash are called bits and replace the unwieldy decimal places of Bitcoin Cash ABC. Instead of sending 0.00001000 BTC, you would send 10 bits with Ecash. Ecash integrates a proof-of-stake, POS, consensus layer called Avalanche, which is not to be mistaken for the blockchain Avalanche, AVAX. Upon rebranding, Ecash announced that it would convert all BCHA coins to XEC at a ratio of 1 to 1 million. The cryptocurrency's developers have set their sights on three main improvements: scaling transaction throughput from 100 transactions per second to more than 5 million transactions per second, improving the payment experience by reducing transaction finality time, extending the protocol and establishing fork-free upgrades. The live Ecash price today is $0.000075 USD, with a 24-hour trading volume of 14,796,505 US dollars. Ecash is down 3.79% in the last 24 hours. The current coin market cap ranking is number 64, with a live market capital of $1,420,274,697 US dollars. It has a circulating supply of 18,984,629,673,313 XEC coins, and a maximum supply of 21 trillion XEC coins. If you would like to know where to buy Ecash, the top cryptocurrency exchanges for trading in Ecash stock are currently Binance, OKX, DG Phoenix, Bybit, and Mandala Exchange. This guide will offer you a sense of the Ecash price prediction for 2022 to 2030, and its projected growth from technical analysis to fundamental price history. At the end of this review, a clear picture will emerge as to what the future holds in terms of how high the prices will go. The future of XEC will also be revealed to you. It is a cryptocurrency that is poised to become a popular asset shortly. The crypto space is all set to hit the mainstream soon. Every project is coming up with unique plans to survive and dominate in the market. We will try to answer these frequently asked questions. Is Ecash a good investment? How much will Ecash be worth in 2025? Or how much will Ecash be worth in 10 years? Guessing the price fluctuations and predicting the future prices is one hell of a task. Our team is all set up to master up the strategy as fast as they can. Time to go back to business, shall we? XEC Price Prediction 2022. A seamless approach to this currency may be found on many websites and forums. In the opinion of this prediction platform, Ecash will steady at its current price for a very long time to come. By 2022, the XEC is expected to be worth a maximum value of $0.00012210. The minimum price can go up to $0.00010719 if the market gets bullish. XEC Price Prediction 2023. XEC will be seen as a better option, and with the huge community, Ecash price will touch new highs. The price fluctuations are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2023, the price of Ecash will be almost $0.00016039. The maximum price that we can get is $0.00018655. Ecash average price forecast at the end of 2023 can be around $0.00016479. A huge price turnover is expected within the range defined by the crypto market. Ecash Price Prediction 2024. In 2024, with more adoption and partnerships between other important blockchain networks, the price of Ecash would skyrocket. The maximum trading price may reach $0.00027665 in 2024. The price ranges are going to be very trendy if we keep it that way. If everything goes well, we can expect an average price of $0.00023480, with a maximum price of $0.00027665 for 2024. XEC Price Prediction 2025. For long-term Ecash price predictions, basic analysis is essential. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers a few. The digital economy's autonomy makes it ideal. As dApps and stable coins develop, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a chance that the average price of XEC will rise to about $0.000344445 by 2025 if more investors are attracted to the idea. For 2025, the year can end with a maximum price of $0.000403348 with a minimum price level of $0.000333271. Xec Price Prediction 2026. There are signs that the crypto market is about to enter a new age. Certain that the long-term price prediction for Xec's price will soar since there is still optimism that the currency will attract much more attention. The year 2026 can end with an average price of $0.000500045 and a minimum price value of $0.000486668. The maximum price is expected to be trading around $0.000588072. Ecash Price Prediction 2027. It appears that by 2027, Ecash (Xec) prices will have reached a level similar to their previous all-time high. By 2027, we may expect an average price of $0.000699941. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted the maximum price of Ecash could be up to $0.000846664 in 2027. Of course, there are chances that the market will dump after a long bull run, and it is normal for cryptocurrency market. Ecash Price Prediction 2028. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today, it is not easy to forecast and keep up with the current pricing. Many crypto analysts come into play in this regard. The pricing forecasts are correct for the mentioned years. Crypto consumers are still concerned about the crypto bans and new restrictions. Ecash price may cross $0.001 if the market sees a good bull run in 2028. Given that it is expected to be held by long-term investors, its average price for 2028 will be around $0.000097747. Ecash Price Prediction 2029. Xec have huge potential, with certain collaborations and innovations may increase the number of users and adoption. If the market concentrates on investing in Ecash, the price might rise much higher. By 2029, it can reach a maximum value of $0.002. It is expected that the Xec will turn around a little bit if the market goes down. The year 2029 can end with an average price of $0.001 with a minimum price of $0.001 and the maximum price of $0.002. Xec Price Prediction 2030. The Ecash value will increase because of the efforts of the network developers and community investors. Therefore, the calculated price for the year 2030 is bullish. Xec was anticipated to touch a maximum price level of $0.002 by the end of 2030, according to analysts. On the other hand, it is highly optimistic that the Ecash's future will ultimately grow. Therefore, the predicted average price of Xec will be around $0.002 to $0.002 is expected in 2030 depending on the market. As stated in the same slogan, the Xec's maximum price ranges from $0.002 to $0.002 for 2030. Ecash Price Prediction 2031. Ecash present price range might interest many traders, and because of this, Xec can reach $0.003 by 2031 with substantial cooperation with financial institutions if the following requirements are satisfied. With an average price of $0.003 for 2031, it can beat the latest price trend to reach new highs. The price tagline can vary as the crypto market can see another bullish trend on its way to 2031. These are some of the most asked questions investors ask related to Ecash price prediction. Is Ecash a good investment? Many experts and traders believe that Ecash has been a great investment for a long time. Surprisingly, the value is increasing. Therefore, it is guaranteed that the investment will yield a good return. How much will Ecash be worth in 2025? Many platforms and analysts think that the price of Ecash will continue to grow in the next 5 years, surpassing the $0.000500045 mark by the end of 2025. Even though the price seems like a stretch, you never know. Xec and other cryptocurrencies are very volatile, and can change direction at any time. How much will Ecash be worth in 10 years? There is a considerably higher chance that the price of Ecash will increase to $0.003 in 10 years. The value of one Ecash can surpass a minimum price of $0.003 and maximum price of $0.003 within next 8 to 10 years. My closing line is, since its launch, Ecash has revolutionized several sectors. Many regulators have approved the coin, and a team of specialist developers is working hard to promote it and increase acceptance. This guide is a self-assessment of how well XEC has done in the past, and the odds of it doing well in the future. So that is it for now.